I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate yarn, and all my links are down below in the description. If you like to sign up under me, you can put in the promo code JEWEL20 and get 20% off your first month. It's $24.99 per month. You get a booklet of patterns and 2 skeins of yarn. And here is all of the information of signing up here on this website. If you're not already familiar, my website is amyscrochetpatterns.com, listed down below in the description. I have hat patterns, afghans, flowers, scarves, holidays, headbands, baby items, bags, booties, coasters, miscellaneous, washcloths, doilies. Just click on one, click close. It will take you to a variety of patterns. You can click on them. All of my patterns, most of them are all free. Let's go to the cute little, let's see. Let's go to the gloves here, fingerless gloves, and it'll take you right to the pattern. Most of my patterns have videos. Also, if you'd like to join my Crochet Jewel Patterns group and my page, you can like that as well. And on my website, right here, I have my crochet hats for beginners. If you click on this, it'll take you right to the book. I also have my crochet for beginners book here. You can click right on it. It will take you to the book for sale on Amazon, paperback, Kindle, and audio. Also, here is my Etsy store. I have 70 items. I have been adding more if you'd like to take a look. I have tags, vintage patterns, Christmas cards, Christmas tags, calendars, more calendars and tags, and some patterns like the purse, placemat, vintage patterns, ponchos, 4 crochet printables, and a thank you for your business. And I'm going to see who the winner is. The winner is Yvonne. Congratulations. Contact me with my email down below with your information as far as your address, and I will send this out as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for subscribing. Thank you everybody for participating, and come back for more videos in the future. Thank you.